Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to Zenith Minds Academy. Today we are going to learn three English simple sentences that we can use our daily conversation. So let's start. Sentence number 1 is मेरे लिए इंतज़ार करें. Please wait for me. सेंटेंस नंबर 2 मैं आपको बाद में फ़ोन करूँगी या करूँगा. I am busy right now. I will call you later. इसकी फ़िक्र ना करें. Don't worry about it. So these were today's three English sentences. Try to use these sentences in your daily conversation and improve your English step by step. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah, and take care.